Hello everyone, we from Group 3. Today we will to present about bubble sort and insertion sort. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce our team. My name is Agustina and my friend are Radhika and Ayu Ratna. The first topic is bubble sort. What is bubble sort? Bubble sort is one of the simplest and most straightforward sorting algorithms. Its name comes from the way the algorithms work. With every new pass, the largest element in the list bubbles up towards its correct position. Bubble sort consists of making multiple passes through a list, comparing elements one by one using two pointers, and swapping adjacent items that are out of order until they are in the correct order. Bubble sort process. 1. Start with an unsorted list of elements. 2. Repeatedly compare adjacent elements and swap them if they are in the wrong order. 3. With each pass, the largest unsorted element bubbles up to its correct position at the end of the list. 4. Continue the process until no more swaps are needed, indicating that the list is fully sorted. This is the example of bubble sort process. First iteration. 1. Give unsorted array and put two pointers to first and second element. 2. Compare first and second element. If second element is smaller, swap them. 3. Compare second element and third element. If third element is smaller, swap them. 4. Compare third and fourth element. If fourth element is smaller, swap them. 5. Compare fourth and fifth element. If fifth element is smaller, swap them. 6. After finish one iteration, look the last element, assuming the last element is the largest. Second iteration. 7. Put two pointers to first and second element. 8. Compare the first and second element. If second element is smaller, swap them. 9. Compare second and third element. If third element is smaller, swap them. 10. Compare third and fourth element. If fourth element is smaller, swap them. 11. After pass the iteration, the last element will be locked in the last place and array already sorted.
Hello, my name is Deputa Ratnasari and today I am going to explain bubble sort method on Python. The first code this example is using number. The line of code. Flag the track in any swap accurate during a pass. And number 2, compare numbers mathematically. And the line of code is to get user input for the numbers and convert to lowercase for case insensitive quiet and convert input to integer. The line code is to sort the list and print the sorted list. Play the sort list. And quit to stop and finish. Okay, the second code, this example is using name. The line of code is to flag to track if any swap occurred during a pass. And compare names lexicographically or alphabetically. The line of code is to get user input for the names and convert to lowercase for case is insensitive quiet. No specific validation need as names can have space or special character. And sort the list. Print the sort list and play. and key or quiet to close is the code, and finish. Okay, thank you.
The second topic is insertion sort. What is insertion sort? Insertion sort is straightforward and efficient sorting algorithms that builds the sorted list one element at a time. Unlike bubble sort, insertion sort removes the second element from the unordered array, save it to a temporary variable or key element, and compare it with the previous element. If the previous element are greater than the key element, they are moved to the next position. This process continues, comparing each item with the rest of the list and inserting it into its correct position, resulting in a sorted array. Insertion sort process. 1. Start with an unsorted list of elements. 2. Take the first unsorted element and insert it into its correct position in the sorted portion of the list. 3. Repeat step 2 for each unsorted element, gradually building up the sorted portion of the list. 4. Continue the process until all elements are inserted into their correct position, resulting in a fully sorted list.
Okay, now I will continue the presentation about the insertion sort process. We start with an unsorted array. There are 8, 5, 1, and 4. At first pass through, we delete the second element and save it on temporary variable. We begin by considering the first element, or 8, as already sorted, and then we take the second element, or 5, and compare it with the first element. If the key element is smaller than the previous element, we slide the elements. So, since 5 is smaller than 8, we shift 8 to the right and we insert 5 into an empty position. And the first pass-through has been completed, and the array is now 5, 8, 1, and 4. At second pass-through, we delete the third element, or 1, and save it on temporary variable. If the key element is smaller than the previous element, we slide the elements. We compare number 1 with the previous element, or 8 and 5, and 1 is smaller than both, so we insert the key element, or 1, into an empty position. And the second pass-through has been completed, and the array is now 1, 5, 8, and 4. At third pass-through, we delete the fourth element, or number 4, and set it on temporary variable. If the key element is smaller than the previous element, we slide the element. We compare number 4 with the previous element. They are 8, 5, and 1. 4 is larger than 1 but smaller than 5 and 8. So we slide the 8 and 5 to the right and we insert the key element, number 4, into an empty position. And the third pass-through has been completed, and the final sorted array is 1, 4, 5, and 8. Okay, now I will demonstrate the implementation of insertion sort using Python. And in this code, we have in function definition for sorting numbers and words. For number sorting, this function implements insertion sort for numerical data. It iterates through the array, comparing and inserting its element into its correct position. After its iteration, it displays the current state of the array, allowing us to visualize the sorting process. And the code for sorting words is very similar to the code for sorting numbers, with a few key differences to accommodate alphabetical ordering. Instead of converting integer, it checks if input are alphabetic. It uses case-insensitive comparison for proper alphabetical sorting. The program uses a while-through loops to continuously prompt the user until valid input is received and sorting is completed. During the sorting process, both functions for numbers and words display the state of the array after its iteration. Okay, now let's run this code. Okay, here we have two options, one for numbers and two for words. Okay, now I will choose for numbers. Type number 1 and enter numbers separated with commas. Okay. I will choose number 7, 12, 2, and 20. Okay. Okay, here we are shown the result of sorting these numbers. Okay, for the one iteration, okay, the 12 is already in the correct positions because 7 is smaller than 12. Okay, and the second iteration, oh, okay, 2 is inserted at the beginning because 2 is smaller than 12 and 7. Okay, and the third iteration, okay, the 20 is already in the correct position because 20 is the largest number. Okay, for the final sorted array is 2, 7, 12, and 20. Okay, what if we enter incorrect choices? Let's run this again. What if I type number 3? But oh, okay, invalid choice. Please enter 1 for numbers and 2 for words. Okay. They will looping until the input is valid. Okay. Now I will choose number 2 for words. Okay. Okay, enter words. Okay. But if I input numbers for, okay, so 1, 8. Okay, for this sample, I will type numbers for what? Oh, okay, there are error. Please enter only words or letters separated by commas. Okay. Okay, I will type number 1. Okay, I will 5, 3, 8, and 4. Okay. And then, okay. If we enter an incorrect choice when selecting the type we want to sort, an error will appear and it will loop back until a valid input is provided. And if we enter words or letters when sorting numbers, an error will occur and it will loop back for us to enter the correct input again. Okay, thank you.
Conclusion: the bubble sort algorithm is sorting by exchanging data with the data next to it continuously. In one iteration certain there are no more changes. This algorithm uses a direct strategy by comparing all positions and making exchanges, while the insertion sort algorithm is a sorting algorithm that uses two lists for the sorting process. The two lists are sorted list and unsort list. That is, and thank you.